I am not going to talk about listening, speaking, reading, writing and thinking in English. Nor I am going to talk about people's judgment, what they think about you, how they are not letting you speak. But today I will tell you something very different which is stopping you from speaking in English. You are going to feel so comfort while speaking. First is make mistakes with open heart. Understand this reality. Accept it. That you have started, you are not that damn fluent yet. You will make mistakes. Making mistakes is the only way to know the right way. Why I have said this, that making mistake is the only way to learn. I just want to know from you, if you are going to learn this language, every vocabulary, every grammar, every pronunciation, phrases, each and every little things, we can't learn in this way, right? So what we do? The best way is just speak, and without knowing any grammar, any vocabulary, anything, whatever limited words are there in your mind, speak with that. And obviously, if you are going to follow this, you will make mistakes. And that's how you are going to learn. You might be thinking, if I am going to make a lot of mistakes, people will judge me, people will laugh at me. Can I tell you one thing? You have to listen to me with logic. Use your mind here. The people who are going to laugh at you, the people who are going to judge you when you are trying something good, do you think these people matters because they are judging you? And if some people are judging and laughing at you, understand, they don't want you to do that. Do you think the people who think good about you, your mother, maybe your siblings, do you think your mother will say, how she is speaking? She's trying to speak. Do you think your mother will do in this way? The people who judge you, the people who doubt on you, very simple, they don't matter. They really don't matter. The people who don't judge, for them your mistakes don't matter. Then what's the point anyway to think about those people who are judging? Now, second thing is, stop learning this language. Start living this language. If you are going to live English, you are going to enjoy it. And when we enjoy something, we learn faster. Your liking, your passion, your commitment with this language is good. But the approach which you are having with this language is not right. So now the question is, how to live English? It's been said and done. Every beautiful thought's been already sung. And I guess right now here's another one. So your melody will play on and on with the best of fun. You are beautiful, like a dream come alive, incredible, lyrical. You saved my life again. And I want you to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby. That's what we call living in English. The way you enjoy melodious songs in Hindi, same as you have to enjoy some melodies in English. Do you know how I was singing? Lyrics are there. So what is the first step you are going to take towards living in English is, you are going to select and prepare a beautiful song in English. Okay, now you can check it's unstoppable or it's let me down slowly. Now let me know in the comment section which song you are going to prepare. Second is, start watching movies in English. I know every time you go there in the theater or anywhere, you just watch movies in Hindi. Don't want to go for movies? Don't want to waste your hours? Start watching. Lot of things are there on YouTube. Now they have made lot of episodes. You can take any one. You can take anything from there. Start watching in English. Third thing is, how you are going to make fun. How you are going to live English while reading. So if you ask what I can read, so it can, it can be fun for me. So if you ask, I would say, सब कुछ पढ़ डालो. सब कुछ पढ़ डालो means very simple. Whatever is coming in your way, when you are going somewhere, just whatever is coming in your way, read everything. So don't ask what to read, ask what not to read. Okay, read everything, make mistakes. When you're walking in the road, read all the boards. Okay, when you're sitting somewhere like in the bus or the corner, just somewhere, read everything. Whatever is coming in your hand, read. Some pamphlets are coming, read. Just don't ask what to read. If you can read it wrong, it's okay, read it wrong. But I have said try to read everything. That I can understand that you have just, bought some books, you are going to read that. Apart from that, whenever you are going somewhere, pick everything, every book, whatever is coming in your way, just read, read, read. That's how you are just going to make it fun. The fourth activity which you are going to do and you are going to like, you are going to make your writing fun. Now you might be thinking, writing fun? How I am going to do it? Look, so obviously at first, you are just asking a lot of questions that how I can develop my writing habit. Look, what you do, you think in that way that how I can start in this way so I can write exactly properly something like a writer. अरे writer नहीं बनना है आप लोगों को अभी. Okay, you are just starting. So you do not need to think in that way. You are not an author. Maybe in future you will become. So right now, what you are going to do, very simple, make it fun. Very simple. Let's suppose simply, and the way I am telling you are going to start in this way. You have to make it fun literally, and then you will go for sincerity later on. So let's suppose today we are going to write about our friend. Okay, we are going to write about our friend. So what we are going to do, first let me draw the picture of my friend. You will also draw like this. Okay, we will draw like this. Okay, and now we are going to write about this. Write anything, and I would say after this send it to your friend. Let's see, I have written something about you with your picture. Just make it fun. Same as take about your siblings, whatever you call them. I know in families, in families what siblings do, mostly they call them by wild animals name, right? They call them by wild animals name. So I would say take anything, just take paper and write about them. Write about them, about your siblings, about your mother, father, but about your mother, father, write something good, okay? Friends, about your colleagues. First you have to make it fun, and then only you are going to make it serious. Now the last point, how you are going to make it fun. Look, I have seen some people are very serious, when they go for their job. Hi, hello, और कैसे हो सब बढ़िया? Just look, now you have to change it, okay? Yeah, hey, all of you, how are you? What's going on? Anything, when you're going, let's go for canteen. I'm feeling hungry, let's go, let's have something. Start in this way. Don't you remember whenever we used to be with colleagues, with our friends, we used to say something, in tutti-frutti English, right? With broken English. We used to say anything, right? Why we are not doing it? Because we have completely, removed that taste, that enjoy from it. That's why you have just obsession, but your approach is not right. Alright, so what is the fourth thing which is hindering your progress? Is you think today everyone is speaking. Competition is so high. Crowd is so big. If I'm going to stand in that crowd, if I'm going to open my mouth, lot of people are there to laugh at me. So you have to understand two things here. First thing is this, you are unique. Okay, your way of speaking, everything is going to be unique. And second thing is this, if you are going to learn this language, you will learn for you. Let them do what they are doing. Competition will always be there in this life. I know this language is kind of trend nowadays. Everything is, there will be new trend, right? So are you gonna take a step backward here? Obviously not. So whatever is happening in this world, let it happen, okay? If you are, just be in that, I'm not saying that just be in that rat race. Just say, yeah, be there, I am also coming. You have to change your approach. The people who are already running in this rat race, they are running because they want to grab opportunities. They don't care about anyone. They are just, progressing. They are doing things. But now you have to say, wait, I am also coming. I am also coming, because you also have to grab opportunities. So that's completely fine. There is a competition. Lot of people are speaking. Even little kids are speaking. Hey, just 2-3 days back, I got a message from a person. That person said, hey, I am too old, and second thing is this, I don't have money. First thing is this, age doesn't matter. Okay, age doesn't matter. There is no time for learning. Okay, so you do not need to think about your age. You are 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, whatever. Just learn it anytime. And second is, you do not need money to learn this language. Okay, you do not need money. The only thing you need is commitment, time and energy. Okay, so simple funda is, they are learning for them and you are learning for you. Okay, don't think about people. You don't have that much time to think about people. You have very less time on this earth. In the blink of the eyes, you will be on your deathbed. Then you would be regretting. Fifth thing which is hindering you, which is stopping you, which is becoming barrier, okay, is you are not breaking it. Tod dalu. Just completely break it. That's what you have to do. And for breaking it, what you have got to do? You have to speak and speak. Okay? So if you ask where to speak, I would ask where not to speak. Okay? If you ask where to speak, I would always ask where not to speak. कहाँ नहीं बोलना है. Okay? Talk to window, talk to walls, दरवाजे से बोलो, खिड़की से बोलो, खुद से बोलो, हर जगह बोलो. But don't ask where to speak. When it comes to people, okay? When it comes to people, now you might be thinking, यही तो मसला है, right? Now you might be thinking, like, when it comes to people, in front of people, how? How can I talk in front of them? I have already said the 4 points here. After listening these 5 points, you can't say that what, where, how. Okay? The only thing is, there are a lot of sources today. There are plenty of videos on YouTube. There are a lot of applications. They have made lot of things are there, and I have already made videos on that. That where to speak, where to find English partner. So, look, simply just find an application wherever you are going to speak. It doesn't matter whether you're going to talk to intermediate, upper intermediate, beginner, lower intermediate. Your job is just to open your mouth. You're just going to open your mouth and you're just going to speak. You will speak and you will break it. My first point was make mistakes, right? And my last point is break it. You have really very less time on this earth. Start enjoying it. Just break it completely. So whatever you are going to speak, I know you will stuck, you will not get words which you are going to substitute, okay? Substitute anything which is not even making sense. People will understand. Do these things, apply, okay? Understand what I have said. That's why you are stuck. You take it damn seriously. Don't take it that serious. If you think this video has added any value in your making fun with English part, then give thumbs up, share your lovely comments, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you are new here. And don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever I release new video, you will be notified, alright? So with this thing, let's meet in the next video. Bye-bye.